Hi, it's Gary at Broad Lane Leisure. Today I'm going to show you around the Swift Select 184. It's a 4-berth vehicle with 4 seatbelts, so you can happily go away with 2 at the front and 2 passengers. This is the 130 brake model and it's manual. The MTPLM is 3,500 kilos, just for information. This also includes the driver's pack. The driver's pack, just to let you know, it's a 2.3 litre Euro 6 130 engine. It's a 6-speed gearbox. As you can see, it's got the LED daytime running lights. It's got cab aircon. It's got cruise, driver and passenger airbags, captain seats. You've got the body coloured bumpers, and you've also got the black cab trims. Right, without further ado, I'll show you around it. It really is a striking vehicle, this. It's really very, very smart indeed. Clearly being a bit smaller than, dare I say, a coach-built style motorhome. It's a little bit more versatile. It's got the sliding door. It's easy access. And you've got the opening doors on the back, or the you could call them the barn-style opening doors. I say it's really very, very smart indeed, this vehicle. Brand spanking new. Looks great with its, dare I say, it's sort of silver and the orange graphic pack. Got the swivel seats, as you can see. The armrests. So it's manual, 6-speed, 130 brake, so loads of power really. Forward-facing seats. Seat belts. Just going to jump inside. Ooh. I won't say a lot, to be fair. I think I'll just let the video do the talking. Obviously it comes with loose laid carpets. The very back, got this bench seating. It's into a double bed. Got blow heating, gas, electric, hot water. It's all very simple to operate, to be fair. Door in the middle to the washroom, compact space, does everything you need. It's going to stand at the back of the vehicle, so you can see from the back through to the front. That completes the tour then of this Swift Select 184 vehicle. If you've got any questions, please call us. It's 01789 763 432. Thank you.